Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm talking to you about how to make money by starting a faceless YouTube channel. And in this faceless YouTube channel, what you're going to use to make the faceless YouTube channel is called Invideo app. Invideo app or Invideo. Now, what Invideo is going to do for you on your faceless YouTube channel is that your content which have been written in Word or your scripts or the content of your video which is in Word document, you copy it and paste it inside of Invideo and then you click start. Invideo is going to convert what you have written into a video and you have the option to choose the kind of tone of language it's going to use. You can choose if it's going to be a male that will be speaking in the video or a female. You can choose different options of male voices that are going to be available. And there is a lot of video male option when it comes to voices. A lot of female options also are available when it comes to the voices that can be used. So these voices, whether male or female, will read out your script and that will be available in video format. Now, inside of the video, Invideo is going to put appropriate pictures, appropriate video elements inside of the video. Where you are mentioning, then he drove into his car. Invideo is going to show the individual with the car moving. If you show that they are eating rice and beans on the dining table in the kitchen or somewhere or anywhere, Invideo is going to show where people are eating something, eating a meal. So this is how Invideo is going to convert what you have in your word that you have put in it into a video. Now, if you don't want Invideo to read out what you have written, but you have it voiced out like I'm doing this voiceover, you can record your audio and then add it to the Invideo. So in the video, we provide the video elements without your face. It will put the different elements that you have written inside, and all you need to do is to add the voice over to it. So this is how you can use Invideo to make your faceless YouTube channel. Invideo comes in various shades and sizes, and the details I'm going to give to you. In the next video, I'm going to do a description of everything I am saying. Now, if you want to start Invideo today or within 25 days of the upload of this video, I am going to give you the articles. I am going to give you the wordings that you are going to use to start your faceless YouTube channel. For the first 60 videos you're going to use. That means I'm going to give you 60 scripts that you can use for your Invideo. So I'll send the 60 scripts to you in Word. You copy each one, put it inside the Invideo app, and it converts it to you for you into what is referred to as a video. So this video can be exported, and after being exported, you download it and then you upload it to your new YouTube channel, which is faceless. Remember, faceless YouTube channel means that there's no face. Your face will not show. So, and then your voice may be heard or may not be heard, depending on if you want to use your voice or you don't want to use your voice. Now, on this faceless YouTube channel, you have to niche down. You have to be talking about a particular thing. Maybe you are talking about animals. Maybe you are talking about dog. Maybe you are talking about goat. Maybe you are talking about food. Maybe you are talking about food in Asia, food in Africa, food in America. Maybe you are talking about restaurant. Maybe you are talking about, maybe even you are talking about water. Maybe you are talking about different things you can talk about. Now you can talk about money. You can talk about work. You can talk about education. You can talk about travel. You can talk about different things. For the first 30 people that are going to register with Invideo, using the referral link that I put in the description section below, I am going to give you examples of niche that may be profitable for you to go into. In addition, I will give you 60 video scripts that you can start with. But for me to give you this 60 video script to start with, and also to give you, to tutor you on how to get started with Invideo, you have to use my referral link to Invideo to register on Invideo. Apart from using my referral link to register on Invideo, you have to also register on after registering on Invideo, you have to buy for 1 month subscription to Invideo. There's the option to subscribe to Invideo for 1 month. There's the option also to purchase the Invideo service for 1 year. So either for 1 month, either for 1 year, that you pay for within 25 days after the upload of this video. If you pay for that, and then I am going to give you all this that I have mentioned that I am going to give you. So this opportunity to give you the 60 scripts to start the faceless YouTube channel with is available for only those who use my referral link to register on Invideo. Then secondly, they also subscribe to the paid version of Invideo within 25 days of their registration. That is within 25 days of seeing this video. So if you have any questions or query on Invideo, you can contact me on the comment section below and I'll be glad to respond to you. So these days, people don't need to stress themselves recording, doing a makeup and spending money on packaging themselves to get ready for shooting and for recording. You can make use of Invideo, and Invideo will do the whole work. Then when it comes to scripting, I can help you to do the scripting. If it is outside of this arrangement I've said, you can discuss with me and I'm going to charge you a little token to do the scripting for you. I'm going to talk to you in the next video. Remember, when you have a YouTube channel, it helps you in your affiliate marketing. And the whole of this month of February, I've devoted it on this channel to everything about affiliate marketing. So this is a good opportunity. You are working in a bank, you are working as a teacher, you are working as a lecturer in a university, in a polytechnic, in a college of education. Why can't you give out $25 or $20 to get the Invideo paid version, and then get the scripts and then start gradually to build your own YouTube channel, which is faceless. You don't want to show your face, fine. It is faceless, just like this video I'm shooting now is faceless, and then nobody knows you are the one that owns the YouTube channel. And then after a while, you will start making money from AdSense and also from affiliate marketing. So this is how to go about it. If you have questions and comments for me, I will be waiting to respond. Remember again, I am going to give 60 video scripts to individuals that register on Invideo using my link, my referral link, which I'm leaving in the description section to Invideo. They register, number 1. Number 2, they buy the paid version of Invideo within a short time after registering. As soon as you do this, I am going to give you 60 video scripts, by which you can put into Invideo to get you started. And then any question you have on Invideo, I am going to guide you until you get your 60 videos up and running. And then if you have any question on how to set up your YouTube channel or how to niche down, maybe you are wondering which area is top selling, or which area can you really make money from on YouTube, because the aim of starting a YouTube channel that is faceless definitely is to make money. So I am going to guide you and you are going to be glad you did. So hit the subscribe button of this video on this YouTube channel, and then like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends. No more, no money, no this. Just invest a little, and then the rest is going to be history. I will talk to you in the next one. Drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. Bye-bye. I am Dr. Olubengade Titun, your friend on this YouTube channel. See you in the next video.